Hello, welcome all. I am Dr. Praful. I teach English literature and language courses in Sharat Chandra College, Naigavada. So I have been teaching English for the past 20 to 25 years. Now, what happened? Because of this pandemic situation, we all have to learn online. There is no alternative to that online courses because there is lockdown going on. I cannot go to college. You are also not allowed to come to college. Because of that, this is the facility that we have to create, and I have personally created this online class in a very simple to use and free app which is available on Google Play Store to download. This app, the name of this app is Edmodo, Edmodo. This Edmodo is freely available on Google Play Store. Please access this app on the Google Play Store, download it, and then register your name in this Edmodo, and there will be a class, the class of Dr. Praful online English class. For this registration, you have to contact me, get my number, and then I will provide you with the password. Edmodo application, you have to register as student. Please register yourself as student. For this registration, you require a password. That password, I will be providing it to you. Please contact me via mobile, on my mobile, and then register yourself with that password on Edmodo app. That is compulsory because we cannot help it. I cannot come to teach you to your homes or to the college. You have to contact me. I have already contacted you, and you have been provided with this password. Please register your name, full name, your name and surname along with this password, and then start learning whatever I teach you from my home, either live or recorded. If it is recorded, you can access it at your free time. Any free time that you can see, you can log on to this Edmodo, come to my class with your password, and then start learning this English. I teach modern English structure for BA third year student. This is the third year class that you will find here on Edmodo. I teach modern English structure, which is paper number 10, and this has got 40 marks of paper. That means university examination will be 40 marks, and there will be internal marks worth of examinations, tests and project for 35 marks as usual, that you have already done that in first year and second year. In the similar way, you will be learning English and this paper. I will teach modern English structure, that is paper number 10. Haribabu sir will teach paper number 9, which is the paper of criticism, and then Haribabu sir will teach the skill paper, that is the last paper of your English course, because this is BA third year. Skill paper is compulsory. Haribabu sir will teach skill paper as well as criticism paper. I will be teaching you modern English structure throughout this year. That means in this semester, semester 5, and then next semester you will be studying modern English structure or different part, another part, that is of grammar. This semester we will be studying phonetics, or which is called as, that paper is entitled as an introduction to speech sounds. I have provided you with some material already through WhatsApp as well as through Edmodo. Whoever has registered in Edmodo will be able to access everything. I will provide you notes on Edmodo. I will provide you teaching through Edmodo. So please come to this my online teaching class of Edmodo. That is mandatory and we can't help it. So I hope that you will be accessing all my videos, teaching videos, as well as some other additional videos, additional teaching material for you to study at home at your leisure time. And then you will be attempting all the tests, test number 1, test number 2, and the project through Edmodo only, and that will be online throughout the year. So please understand, you have to register yourself as a student with your full name, and then with that password which I provided to you. So don't forget to register. Download first this Edmodo app. It is free. It doesn't have that much of weight, and because of sometimes there will be internet problem, but even if the internet is not proper, if it is slow, you can access my teaching there on Edmodo. So I will be providing you with everything, notes, all teaching and learning material, as well as my teaching videos. So you have to come and access all those things in Edmodo app, because that is the only thing which we can do presently. So till then you have to register yourself. First register yourself. First download Edmodo. Register yourself with your full name, and then register with my password. If every time you require password to access my teaching, as well as all those notes and examination. All those tests are compulsory. If you do not attempt the test on Edmodo, you will not be able to get 35 marks. That is a mandatory kind of a thing for your passing out of BA course of English optional. Okay, so till then I will be providing you with some notes. Start preparing, read them at home, access my videos, access all this extra material which I will be posting on Edmodo. And if you have got any problems, please contact me via mobile, and then I will talk to you on phone also. If you are not able to access the material properly due to internet problem or due to non-availability of the smartphones, then I will be trying to teach you using directly my mobile. Yeah, that means you have to just access my teaching through mobile live via telephone call. So that will possible if you do not have smartphone. So let us make this adjustment. I will be testing you. I will send you SMS when there is a class and when some new material is posted. Even if I do not message you, or even if I do not call you, if I post something on Edmodo, immediately this Edmodo app will give you a message that some new material has been added by Dr. Praful in this class. Please go and access it immediately, or at your leisure time you can go and access that and start learning. So all the best for this class. I hope it will be convenient to you as well as to me, and both of us will be doing something good online this year, and let us beat this COVID, let us beat this corona by staying at home and by studying and learning at home. So come to Edmodo, access me, access my material, and start learning. Start learning English, start learning modern English structure, start learning my phonetics class, which I call it as the phonetics class. So come and learn English speech sounds in this Edmodo class of Dr. Praful. Thank you.